So I'm going to go ahead and make his eyeballs. To do this, I've got a little piece of white, and I'm going to make a ball, and I want the eyeballs even, so I'm just going to take a toothpick, and with the tip of it, I'm going to roll it back and forth in the middle and cut that in half, and that gives me two even sides, kind of like what I did for the ears. Toothpicks are great. Like, you stab it and it goes where you need it. There we go. There we go. Okay, a little bit of blue. That's a little tiny bit. Roll it in the middle with the toothpick. And little tiny black pupils. Okay, we end up with this one's just a little too big. I'm going to take that one off and redo it. It's just a little big. There we go. There's our happy. He's happy. Oh, we got to do his antenna though. Got to have an antenna on top of him. So we're just again going to roll a ball and a long curly cue like that, and we're going to curl it around into a nice little spiral. A little bit of water and go right in the smack dab top of his head. It's kind of lean back a little bit here. Okay. And you just attach it, just press it down. And you got his little curly top.